and welcome to the video tutorials of Advanced Java Programming. This is Rajul Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Pad Gandhinagar. Previous lecture we have discussed the JDBC driver type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4 driver and comparison as well as snippet code. In this video lecture we will discuss the JDBC component. So what is the JDBC component and which component is covered? Here JDBC API that provide following interface and classes. First, this is the figure or package of java.sql. Here first one is driver manager. So what do you mean by driver manager? So this is the class and remaining driver connection statement and result set is interface. And exception if you are covered the SQL exception if covered in program, we require the try and catch for SQL exception. What is the driver manager? So this is the class manage a list of database driver, match the connection request from the Java application with proper database driver using communication sub protocol. The first driver that recognize the certain sub protocol under the JDBC will be used to establish the JDBC connection. Here it acts as an interface between user and driver. So it keep the track of all the driver that are available and handle establishing the connection between database and appropriate driver. So what do you mean by driver? Here second portion driver component, let me discuss with the driver. So this interface with all method for connecting database. The connection object represent the communication context, like all communication with database is through the connection object only. In this database driver, this is the interface. We already mentioned here class driver manager cover the interface driver. So this interface handle the communication with database server. By using this driver, we communicate with database server. So driver interface that provide vendor specific implementation of abstract class that provide by the JDBC API. JDBC API is nothing but the application program interface. Let me discuss the third component is connection. So this interface with all method for connecting a database. The connection object represent the communication context, like all communication with database is through the connection object only. By using this interface, the session between Java application and database will created. First session is created, then it contain all the methods for content a database and its connection with the record. Let me discuss the next object, next component of JDBC, that is statement. So we require the statement. You use the object create from the interface to submit the SQL statement. We already familiar with the SQL statement, like SQL query. We covered the data definition language, data manipulation language, and data control language. While we are creating the tables as well as remove the table, updating the table information, and we applied the grant as well as revoke, save point, commit. This type of a statement is covered in SQL. So this interface is used to submit the SQL statement to the database. Next component is result set. Result set. So this object hold a data retrieved from a database after you execute a SQL query using statement object. It acts as an iterator to allow you move through its data. So driver, connection, statement and result set, these four are called interface. An interface is required to connect the class with database. And last one, JDBC component, that is SQL exception. So this class handle any error that occurred in database application. We require the SQL exception. In next lecture, or we will discuss the SQL exception like try and catch. Let me discuss the next point is JDBC package. So what do you mean by JDBC package? The name of JDBC package, that is java.sql, and the java.sql as well as javax.sql are primary package for JDBC 4.0. We can use JDBC four point zero. So it is the primary package for JDBC version 4.0. This is the latest latest JDBC version at the time of writing. We are working with JDBC package. It offers main class for interacting with your database source. So some of the features we required that covered the features in this package that include the changes following area, like we are required to automatic database driver loading, exception handling, enhance blob or clob functionality, binary large object functionality, and connection as well as statement interface. We require the national character set support, and it required the SQL row ID access, SQL 2003 XML data type support. So this is the features of JDBC package, and it contained the core Java object of JDBC API. It include Java data object that provide the basic for connecting to the DBMS and interacting with the data stored in DBMS. So this package performs the JDBC core operations such as creating and executing the query. JDBC process we will discuss in next video lecture. Thank you for attending the session.